In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task in Wrike, and we'll walk through this process in just 5 minutes. Wrike is a robust project management tool that helps businesses and individuals streamline their workflows, making task management easier and more efficient. To start, open your internet browser and navigate to the Wrike homepage. Look for the login button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and you'll be directed to the login page. Here you'll see several options for logging in. For convenience, you can use your Google account. Simply click on the Google option and you'll be presented with the available Google accounts on your device. Choose the appropriate account you wish to use. By doing this, you immediately gain access to your personalized Wrike workspace. Once you're logged in, it's time to find the specific project where you want to create your task. On the left hand side of your workspace, there's a navigation panel. Use this to locate your project by clicking on projects and then selecting the project from the list that appears. This action will take you directly to your project's page, where all tasks related to this project are displayed in a tabular format. Next, to add a new task to your project, you should look for the plus item button. Typically, this button is prominently displayed either at the top or under the task list in your project's dashboard. Click on it and a new task window will pop up, prompting you to fill in the task details. In the newly opened task window, you'll see a field prompting you to type in the name of your task. Think of a clear, concise name that accurately describes the task. This not only creates a clear reference point for you, but also aids your teammates who may be keeping tabs on multiple tasks simultaneously. Remember, clarity is essential in task management as it helps maintain focus on what needs to be accomplished. After typing in the task name, a quick way to save it is by pressing enter on your keyboard. By doing this simple action, your task is immediately created and saved in the project. You'll notice that it appears alongside any other existing tasks in the table view of your project. And that's it, you've just successfully created a task in Wrike. This seemingly simple process paves the way to more effective management of your projects, helping you keep track of what needs to be done and ensuring accountability and progress. Thanks for joining in, and happy tasking.